Hi everyone! Welcome back to another English speaking practice vlog. My name is Alex, and I'm so happy that you are here today. In this video, we are going to talk about my daily routine step by step in slow, clear English. Before we begin, I want you to stay with me until the end. Why? Because every single sentence, phrase, and dialogue is designed to help you speak English more confidently. The people who watch the full video improve 3 times faster than those who skip parts. In this lesson, you will learn vocabulary for daily activities, how to describe your morning, afternoon, evening, and night, real-life dialogues for daily life, how to practice speaking every day, confidence-building exercises, and repeat after me sections to improve fluency. So relax, sit comfortably, and let's practice English together. Remember, the more you repeat, the faster.
Part 1. Morning routine, wake up, and freshen up. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and take a deep breath. Then I stretch my arms and legs for a few minutes. After stretching, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Vocabulary and repeat after me practice. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I feel fresh and ready for the day. Sometimes I listen to soft music while I get ready.
Part 2. Breakfast and conversation practice. After my morning routine, I have breakfast. I usually eat something healthy like oatmeal, eggs, or toast. I drink a cup of coffee or tea. Now let's do a small conversation. Repeat after me. Host: Good morning. What are you having for breakfast? You: I'm having eggs and toast. What about you? I'm having oatmeal and a cup of coffee. That sounds delicious. Key phrases to repeat. I'm having breakfast. I drink coffee in the morning. Part 3. Work-study time extended. After breakfast, I start my work or study. I usually sit at my desk and open my laptop. I check my emails, messages, and schedule. Some days I record videos, some days I edit content, and sometimes I plan new lessons. During work, I take short breaks every hour. I stand up, stretch, or drink water. Useful phrases and repeat after me. I start my work at 9 a.m. I check my emails. I make a to-do list. I take short breaks. I focus on my tasks. Part 4. Lunchtime. Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I either cook something simple or order food online. Dialogue practice. Friend: What are you eating for lunch today? You: I'm having rice and chicken. What about you? Friend: I'm having pasta. It's my favorite. You: That sounds delicious. Repeat key sentences slowly. I am having lunch. I am eating rice and chicken. The food is delicious.
Part 5. Afternoon activities extended. After lunch, I like to take a walk. Walking gives me energy and helps me think clearly. Sometimes I listen to podcasts, music, or just enjoy the fresh air. Key sentences to repeat. I take a short walk in the afternoon. Walking helps me relax. I enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes I practice English sentences while walking. For example, I am walking in the park. I am listening to a podcast. I feel happy. Part 6. Evening time. Vlog plus dialogue. In the evening, I usually drink tea or coffee. I sit on my balcony and watch the sunset. Dialogue practice. You say, "What do you usually do in the evening?" Host says, "I relax, read a book, or watch videos." You say, "That sounds nice. I usually watch English lessons." Repeat. I relax in the evening. I watch videos. I read a book. Part 7. Night routine. Extended practice. At night, I brush my teeth again and wash my face. I get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I like to think about my day, what I did, what I learned, and what I want to do tomorrow. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth at night. I wash my face. I prepare for bed. I reflect on my day. Part 8. Practice session. Vocabulary and sentences. Let's practice all sentences from today's vlog. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I start my work at 9 a.m. I take a short walk. I drink tea in the evening. I relax before bed. Repeat slowly first, then a little faster. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I start my work at 9 a.m. I take a short walk. I drink tea in the evening. I relax before bed. Part 9. Dialogues section. 10 plus real-life conversations. Dialogue 1. Morning chat. A. Good morning. B. Good morning. Did you sleep well? A. Yes, I slept well. How about you? B. I slept great. Dialogue 2. Breakfast. A. What are you eating? B. I'm having eggs. A. That's healthy. Dialogue 3. Afternoon walk. A. Do you walk every day? B. Yes, I walk for 30 minutes. Dialogue 4. Work chat. A. What are you working on? B. I'm editing my videos. Dialogue 5. Evening chat. A. Do you have plans for this evening? B. Yes, I'm going for a movie. A. That sounds fun. Dialogue 6. Night time. A. What time do you usually go to bed? Part 10. Motivation and confidence building vlog story. Listen to this story. When I first started learning English, I was shy. I was scared to speak. I used simple words.
slowly, and repeated sentences every day. Slowly, I improved. And today, I can speak fluently and confidently. You can also do it. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am confident. I practice every day.
Thank you for watching this long English speaking practice vlog. You practiced vocabulary for daily routines, listening skills, speaking skills, dialogue practice, and repeat after me training. If you like this video, please like, comment your daily routine, and subscribe for more daily English practice videos. I will see you in the next vlog. Keep practicing.